What's up, y'all? Your boy Dominoes 7 on Instagram Live. Okay. All right. Welcome to my Instagram Live show, live on Instagram and stuff like that. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Doing it big. Yep. It's a rainy day, rainy night, I should say. This is a rainy night. I love a rainy night. Yep. Yep, I love a rainy night. I relax and stuff like that, have sweet dreams and stuff. Well, I must say, y'all, it's lightning, y'all. So, so anyway, it's a rainy night, and I feel sorry for those people that's homeless. We gotta pray for those that don't have a house to go to. Okay. All right. So, so I must say, y'all. I mean, I'm really enjoying this. I don't like the cold weather when in a rainy day, but long as I'm inside. Okay. Not this really when I need some rain boots. Okay. I could be out there doing the weather like I'm doing right now. Okay. Yep. I'm gonna go to my Domino 7 vlog channel in a few. Oh, wow. Yeah, I do get scared, but I'm a so-called weatherman, and I gotta do this. Okay, not only a vlogger and stuff like that. You know, I'm also a so-called weatherman. Okay, I'm in business right now. Okay, yep. And I know people happy having their dinners and stuff like that. Next week will be a good time for Thanksgiving dinner. Okay. Yep. All right, y'all. I'ma talk to y'all later. I'm about to go on YouTube live, back on YouTube. Okay. All right. Bye, y'all.